Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to another episode of Fishing for Life 93. And today we're going to go try for some pre-spawn bass fishing in Zone 20. They are open for catch and release only up to May 10th. So we're going to go give it a try with the new kayak. It's where we kind of left off at the end of last kayak season, since we got at the end of the season. We're going to do a little part on showing off the kayak rigged up before we hit the water, so that way you guys can get a better idea of how it is, what it looks like rigged up, ready to go. And then we're going to try for a couple hours. They're calling for rain, so not too sure how long we'll stay on the water for. And we'll see if we can't catch any pre-spawn bass or any fish in general. Stay tuned. Cheers. Alright, here she is, ready to go. We'll do a little walkthrough on the kayak, because there's a few attachments that were added to it. So we got a bunch of tracks in the front and on the sides. We also have a little slot for our tools. One on the side will show that as long as we go around. We also have seat risers, so that way there we have full access to underneath if we needed to store anything underneath there. We got our net and our 16x16 black pack. We're only bringing 3 rods today. We got our boomstick on one of the back tracks over here. We got our one cup holder, and on the other side, just if you want to put any loose lures. And then our pedal drive, and then yeah. So that is our Old Town PDL 120 Sportsman, rigged out, ready to go for the season. Let's get some fish now. Alright, we got the Old Town out today. We got the GoPro 12 on the boomstick now. We upgraded that from our GoPro 7 that was on the boomstick last season. Still got the GoPro 11 with the medium mod on the head cam. But we're going to start off with, I think, a bit of shad swim baits here. I know it's pretty shallow in here, so I don't know how well I can use my pedal drive till we get out into the open. But this feels good being back out. I think the vegetation hasn't really grown in yet, so that's good. One of these fish might want it off the bottom since there's not that much vegetation right now. Dying to try out this new product since it came out. Since we are in zone 20. We still have a few more days left. Pre-spawn bass. In the vegetation, usually by this time it's already filling in. This shows how cold the spring was this year. Completely shift the kayak over so I'm not shifting into the bank. Oh, there we go, fish on. Oh, that's a nice bass. Yeah, first one of the pre-spawn season. On the sneaky underspin, baby. What a nice hog. That's a fat largie. Come here, girl. Gotcha. Nice, beautiful fish. We gotta get it back in quick because it's catch and release only right now. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Thank you, girl. She thumped this thing twice. Okay. That's good. Hell yeah. First one of the season. I can't really show them off too well because it's only catch and release only. But first largie of the season. I felt them thump it twice. Feisty little fellers, I say. Feisty little fellers. Is that a fish? It is a fish. Yeah, this whole time. Wow. Oh yeah! Look at the size of this thing. Holy shit. We gotta get you back in, girl. Holy frig. Size of this thing. Inhaled. Thank you, girl. Oh, she goes. I thought I was on something. On like a stick or something. I didn't expect, you know. And then it pulled it, but it had hammered. Never resist a chartreuse. All right, well, that turned out a lot better than I expected it to. Managed to catch a big bass and another nice largemouth bass. Only managed to catch 2 bass, but was able to test out the kayak, other different rods and stuff like that, and just get out in the water for a couple hours. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. We have a lot of big plans for this upcoming season. See you guys in the next adventure. Cheers.